The truth is that 5 years ago, maybe less than 5 years, I'm not sure, man, I keep saying 5 years, you would have walked into any Rolex boutique, any authorized retailer, and you would have asked them for the John Mayer Daytona that I'm about to show you right now. This is the recent acquisition. There's a wish list. So tell me about your wish list a little bit. And even the platinum, both at retail, they would have been there on display, just waiting for you. Now, of course, it's a completely different story, not just with this one, with all of them. You just can't get them. I wouldn't say it's impossible. It's just really, really difficult. Maybe 2 tiers below impossible. You need to have like a ridiculous spend with your AD. And even then, it's a big question mark, right? Like it's a wish list. It's not guaranteed. You know, there's a lot of talk about some watches being back at the safe and they just don't want to give it. There's not one of them. They don't see even much of it.
The production of this model actually it's very rare. That the Panda and the steel black Daytona, there is more in them in the market than this one. Rolex, they don't produce this watch a lot as they reduce the steel model. It's first of all precious metal, that's very important, and we have the combination between the green and the yellow gold.
Yeah.
And that's what makes it very special. And to be on the wish list for something like that, it's difficult. Why? It's not as the steel model because the production is less. So Rolex, they try kind of focus on the clients that they've been with the brand for the past like 3-4 years. They've been buying like regularly with the brand watches.
What really worked out for me, it wasn't my spend or the fact that I bought watches from this AD, is that there was one seller in specific that happened to know me for the longest time. It was her effort. She was consistent. She asked them the question and she told them, we want to help out this guy. Thank you so much for making this happen. I ordered it 3 years ago with no hopes of it coming whatsoever, 0 chance, but then it kicked in. It actually arrived in a perfect timing too, once Watch Society hit 100,000 subscribers, literally on the same exact day. This is the Rolex Daytona reference 116508, also known as the John Mayer Daytona. It wasn't done for John Mayer, it wasn't a tribute to him, he had nothing to do with it. It just so happened that he is a very influential watch collector that talked about it. Hence, John Mayer Rolex Daytona with the green dial. Man, this is crazy. Full-blown yellow gold case and bracelet, green sunray dial, and what's really, really interesting, what stood out to me about the dial outside of the fact that it's green, this is really distracting by the way, is the red inner circles within the subdials. Man, this thing is a horological work of magic, really. This reference 116508 is the inimitable combination of magnificent aesthetics combined with an infallible work ethics and reliability that a Rolex gives you. Man, I can't even repeat this shit again. This is like watch romance. I mean, I had breakfast with it, I talked to it. It was intimate. Watchmans. This watch breaks the rule book, right? So I always said, wear your watches. I don't even want to wear this guy. I just want to look at it. It's gold, and I know I like gold watches, and I talked a lot about gold watches, but I'm taking also a step back from gold watches for a lot of reasons, but that doesn't mean I can't have them, right? Like, you know, there's still the wifey, there is the little one. So I said also, don't follow hype. But just like you, I watched that John Mayer Hodinkee video. I wanted one so bad, it was non-negotiable. And this is when I stopped paying attention to it too. You'll never see me wearing this outside of my house. This is when this watch seared indelibly into my mind, imprinted permanently into my consciousness, and almost inescapable. Okay, so this is a bit extreme here. We're going too far. And I know we all thought last year that it was gonna get discontinued, but guess what? It didn't. This year, cannot help to think that Watches and Wonders is coming up in a month and a half or so. There is a very, very strong chance that they might call this one out too. And the reason being, of course, because it's the 60th anniversary of the Daytona, right? So the whole lineup might change, not just the platinum. Why would they keep a pre-ceramic bezel Daytona, right? It's about time they change it. I mean, it came out in 2016, so I think there's a strong chance they might call this one too. Or they might keep everything and just change the platinum. I don't know. This is just my prediction. I'm just talking, right? But that's what I think. And if that really happens, then I'll take the credit for it, Rolex. This green dial Rolex Daytona strikes even more when compared to the stainless steel or the 116509 in white gold. The size, the material, the dial all sets this specific Daytona apart from the rest. This is a stunning watch, and to me, honestly, it's unbelievable that I got it. The green is unbelievable. Pops on the wrist even more. It's just stunning, man. There's a lot of talks, of course, about Daytonas not being as horologically impressive as other watches from other brands, and I understand that, but this one here is a combination of fun, I don't care, big boy talk, different, you don't see me every day. It didn't still kick in for me, like it didn't settle yet, so I like it. I know you guys do too. There'll be another video about it in the future. You guys are awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. I don't know. I don't expect you to answer this question. Do you think it will be discontinued?
If I'm not mistaken, I think a lot of people they are talking that they might discontinue some model. There is rumors saying the platinum. There is rumors saying the yellow gold with the green face.
Yeah.
As the production is very less for them. We really don't have any idea. There's a lot of rumors, and Rolex as a brand, they are like, they try to be always very private and very, like nobody will even get to know that. Even the people who works inside Rolex, honestly, they don't get to know that.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the play.